Just outside Dallas, Plano is a thriving city known for its rich history, vibrant arts, and welcoming community. Established in 2019, the DENSO Plano office is home to more than 50 team members. This central location drives innovation and collaboration while working closely with customers. Let's step inside.
So this location is really special. We actually have 3 different DENSO entities here. My division takes care of genuine service parts that are sold through the dealership channel. We also have another division here that is doing a lot of connected type services, which is really kind of cool stuff. It's the future. We're actually selling products and services and futuristic type stuff.
Our duty here is the thinking of how we can make better driving experiences to the vehicle, solving how the people can be safe in the driving.
Everybody has a common goal and they're working, making a good collaboration as a team. We successfully launched the first generation of the digital key.
Digital key is people using their phone instead of a key fob as their access device to the vehicles. We do everything to making sure the customer have the materials and resources to be able to launch a product with quality. DENSO always gave the product people trust.
I really love being in Texas because many technology get us here recently.
We've got a lot of growth ahead of us as our automotive market kind of changes here in the United States.
This location has given me a lot of opportunities to grow.
So I just look at DENSO as being such a company with great opportunities as well as ways to constantly challenge you, even after 20 years.